In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some essential features in Canva, specifically focusing on how to turn off the snapping function when working on your designs. Whether you're crafting social media posts, presentations, or anything in between, having control over your elements is crucial for achieving the look you desire. Snapping can be a helpful tool, but sometimes we need that extra flexibility to position things precisely where we want them. So let's dive into this process together and ensure we get the most out of Canva's capabilities. First things first, head over to your Canva document. Once you're on the Canva homepage, locate the document you want to work on. If you're not familiar with finding your documents, look for the Your Projects section on your dashboard where all your creations are stored. Click on the document and it should open up, ready for editing. Now let's talk about the snapping feature. If you've worked with any design tools before, you might recognize snapping as those guiding lines that appear when you're moving objects around. They help align elements relative to each other or to the overall page. While snapping is handy for precision, sometimes it restricts your creative freedom, especially when working on complex layouts. To illustrate, imagine you've selected an object in your document. As you begin to drag it around, you'll notice those suggestion lines, or snapping guides, popping up. This is Canva trying to assist you by showing you alignment options. However, if you find this limiting or distracting, there's a straightforward way to toggle it off temporarily. Here's how you can turn off the snapping function. Simply click to select the object you're working with. Then, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard as you move the object. By doing this, you'll notice that the suggestion lines don't appear, giving you the freedom to place the object exactly where you want it. This method allows for cleaner, smoother adjustments, especially useful in intricate designs where precise positioning is required. Once you're done dragging and have positioned your object to your satisfaction, you can release the Control key. If at any point you decide to re-enable snapping for further adjustments, or for working on different elements, simply stop pressing the Control key, and Canva will automatically bring back those helpful guides. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to disable the snapping lines in Canva for greater control over your design elements. Remember, the key here is knowing when and how to use snapping to your advantage. It can make a significant difference in your design workflow, making it more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found this information helpful and it enhances your experience and efficiency within Canva. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks that can elevate your design skills. Happy designing!